And it's the end of year 2. So let's see what the last 12 months has cost me to own this 2021 Kia Forte5 EX. As one would expect for a car that's only 2 years old, nothing is worn out, fallen out, or shorted out. Everything is still pretty much solid as it should be. All in all, considering this is almost 63,000 kilometers, which is just over 40,000 miles, I have no complaints. And still comfortable too. Now under here is where things really start to get expensive. Going from the latest service backwards. So, $1,279 for a coolant system flush, and the air filter, and the cabin air filter, and 2 new front rotors. Then we have washer fluid and oil change, and the CVT was also flushed for $1,161. Then we have $799.31 for, oh yeah, complete front and back look over. Brake fluid was flushed out. Once again, the coolant system was done again. Not sure why. I'll have to look into that one. And then $367 for the rotors and the calipers all to be cleaned, and the pads inspected, and of course another oil change. And going all the way back to October of last year, a third-party oil change which cost me $133.26. That is a fair chunk of change over 12 months. Other than a really dirty engine and just trying to keep the outside clean due to bugs, mud, road debris, and the odd small flying animal, the outside is actually held up quite nicely. A few minor little dents and scratches. The biggest part I have to really complain about is right here. I'm not exactly sure if this is how it was shipped and they just never took it off, or is this part of the paint protectant? But it's definitely collecting dirt. And once again, just on top of the windshield, that roof line has picked up a few pits that are starting to rust out, but not rust through. And of course, a new windshield is definitely in my future sometime. Price-wise in Canada, we're a lot more expensive than the States because we're in liters, which is roughly quarts. And to fill this up from completely empty at almost 44 liters was a grand total of $76.99. Of course, that's me squeezing a little bit extra in, and that's at $1.79 a liter, so roughly about $2 a quart, which is about $8 a gallon. Now in May this year, it cost me $167.72 to go from winters to summers. September, it cost me $167.72 to go from summers back to winters. So if you got anything out of this video, by all means, like, comment, subscribe. And until next time, take care.